Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview the Remington Solar Pool Ionizer, where your pool becomes the bright blue color you've always wanted without the hard work. This solar-powered pool purifier harnesses simple chemistry and automatically creates ions to keep your pool clear. One device maintains 22,000 gallons, second unit needed if larger. Remington Solar Pool Ionizer for 15,000 to 35,000 gallon pools includes copper anode, basket screen, spring, and screw. Product benefits: reduces chlorine usage by 80%, say goodbye to large buckets of chlorine and shock. Save at least $300 or more every year. Chlorine-free pool accessory. Chlorine is a strong cleaning product for children to be around, especially the youngest ones who accidentally swallow water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.